How to change dictation language on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Keyboard. In Keyboard, okay, go to Dictation section. Here in Dictation, you can see the language. And the language is set into English Philippines. So okay, to change this, you'll have to do is click the arrow up and down button on the right side and you can see the option. So you can see the add language here. Okay, to change, you'll have to do is click the add language and you can see the option of language here. Okay, you can select the language you want to set as a dictation language. So for my example, I set the New Zealand, okay, and remove the Philippines. Okay, uncheck if you want to remove the language, and after you select the language, okay, click the OK button, and after that, okay, click the arrow up and down button again and select the English New Zealand language. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the dictation language on MacBook Air.